Hey guys, so I just got home and I'm super excited to do the unboxing of the Philips Hue ambiance. This is the white version. You can get it in the black version as well. Let's see what it says. You have like 4 scenes that it comes with: relax, read, concentrate, and energize, because you can go from kind of bluish color to the warm white. It also comes with the dimmer switch, so it's really nice. And this means that you can operate this by itself without the Philips Hue bridge. If you connect it to the Philips Hue bridge, so you'll be able to control it from your iPhone or from your Android device and do whatever you want. So this is the box. This side. And we got this side. And that's it. Let's open it. Well, here we got some papers. This is some, I don't know, warnings. Oh, nice. So this is the Philips dimmer. I don't know if you know this, you can check out other reviews, but this is like a magnetic remote, so you can put it by your bed or by your table or whatever, and you can use it. And this goes with 2 small magnets, and you have also duct tape here, so you can just tape it to the wall or to the table, whatever. It's really nice, and you can also program each one of the buttons. Depends on which app you have. There are several apps you can find. Let's see. Welcome. And how to get started? Well, I suppose it's supposed to be easy, but you never know, right? Let's see. Well, oh, nice. Nice white. So this goes to the ceiling, of course. And this is magnetic part. So you just need to fix this to the ceiling, and then you can do this, and it stucks right in the place. Okay. About the length of the wire, you can shorten this. Here you have 2 screws here. Okay, so you just need to open it a little bit, and you can adjust the length of the wire. Let's close this for now. And let's see what's going on here. Well, it's kind of big and nice, and it's kind of heavy. Not very much. And I'll just open it and we'll continue. Ta-da! Well, this is the lamp. It's kind of heavy. It's kind of big. It looks really elegant and like classic. I love the round shape, and it's clean design. It's made of two different materials here. This is like hard plastic or something, and this is like soft one. Different colors, but it's really elegant, and I'll try to put it on the ceiling and let's see how it looks like.